Hello, welcome everyone, and it's going to be showing in this video how you made the phone picker. First, you're gonna do how to understand through everything that you want through this going to about to go with a certain moment. So what you're gonna do with every moment that we can start to see with certain about things. So we can start right now to go with the text and add it and go to the regular behind regular 96. Here is about how you see it.